Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Spine X tutorial how to mirror selection. So for example, I will create object with these brush tools. I will create in here. And I will create against the blue color in this point. Now if you want to mirror the selections, like example I will use magic wand to select at this point. And then if you want to mirror, first you can copy the selection, go to selection option, and then click copy. The next you can click paste. Now we can move into here. Click OK. You can go to layer, so we have these copy tools, and then we can use this option, flip tools, to mirror the selection. Okay, you can click selection again. And then you can click remove selection area. Now I will move this object into here. So that's it for a basic Ibis Spine X tutorial, how to mirror selection. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.